Hi, I'm Amanda. I'm the primary school art teacher here at KIS. This week we're celebrating ArtiGras, which is a celebration of the children's art and what they completed in the first term. So we have a display, every child in primary, from EY3 to grade 5, they have some art on display to share with their families and the community. And then we also have 4 collaborative pieces that the whole community can work on. So throughout the week during break times, so we wanted to give kids the opportunity to work collaboratively and in a community and create some artwork that we can share in our learning environment. So we have a weaving station with some chicken coops, and we have a huge building project going on where the kids are working on their engineering skills and they're working together to build a structure out of recycled materials. So the kids are working through some of the IB learner profiles. They're being open-minded, they're being risk takers by trying things they've never tried before, inquirers trying to figure out how to build a structure out of cardboard and plastic and lots of duct tape. So giving the kids an opportunity to really just explore problem solving and working together